had my first noticeable side effect, and that is sulfur burps. Now, I've only noticed this since moving up to 5 milligrams. I initially thought last week that I had some form of food poisoning, because in the past, anytime I've had like a dodgy tummy, I would go assume down that route. I had a large sausage sandwich, and then I had a sausage sandwich the next day, and I started to feel a bit bloated, and I noticed that it was passing through me slowly, which obviously that's what the jab does. I hadn't on the 2.5 had this issue at all. So I didn't think it was going to be a problem.